Our Quiche Lorraine adventure begins in the picturesque region of Lorraine, France. The word quiche itself is derived from the German word kuchen, meaning cake. But it was the French who perfected this savory pie. Simplicity at its best. One of the charming aspects of Quiche Lorraine is its simplicity. The original recipe consisted of just eggs, cream, bacon or lardons, and a delicate pastry crust. This elegant blend of flavors became a timeless classic. A quiche by any other name. While Quiche Lorraine is the most well-known variation, quiche recipes have evolved over the years. You'll find delightful versions like quiche Alsacienne, made with onions and bacon, and quiche Vosgienne, featuring Munster cheese. A quiche with a twist. Interestingly, the traditional Quiche Lorraine does not include cheese. It's only later that cheese, like Gruyère or Emmental, was added to create the creamy, cheesy versions many of us enjoy today. The quiche renaissance. Quiche Lorraine experienced a resurgence in popularity during the 1970s, thanks to its appearance in cookbooks and on restaurant menus. It became a symbol of French culinary sophistication. Quiche on the silver screen. Did you know that Quiche Lorraine even made its mark in cinema? The 1980s classic film, Mystic Pizza, featured Julia Roberts' character making a Quiche Lorraine that stole the spotlight. The origin story. Our Quiche Lorraine adventure begins in the picturesque region of Lorraine, France. But it was the French who perfected this savory pie. One of the charming aspects of Quiche Lorraine is its simplicity. This elegant blend of flavors became a timeless classic. You'll find delightful versions like quiche Alsacienne, made with onions and bacon, and quiche Vosgienne, featuring Munster cheese. A quiche with a twist. Interestingly, the traditional Quiche Lorraine does not include cheese. It's only later that cheese, like Gruyère or Emmental, was added to create the creamy, cheesy versions many of us enjoy today. Quiche Lorraine experienced a resurgence in popularity during the 1970s, thanks to its appearance in cookbooks and on restaurant menus. It became a symbol of French culinary sophistication. One of the intriguing aspects of Quiche Lorraine is its versatility. It can be enjoyed hot or cold, as a main course or a savory snack. It's the perfect addition to picnics, brunches, and elegant dinners. Quiche beyond France. While Quiche Lorraine is undoubtedly a French classic, its influence has spread far and wide. You can find quiche variations in countries around the world, each with its own unique twist. The art of quiche presentation. In France, the presentation of Quiche Lorraine is an art form. The pastry crust is often beautifully crimped, and the top is garnished with bacon or lardons arranged in intricate patterns, adding to its visual appeal. Crust evolution. Originally, Quiche Lorraine was made without a crust. It was a simple custard-like dish made with eggs and cream, flavored with bacon. The crust as we know it today was added later. The French lardons. The term, lardons, refers to small strips or cubes of pork fat, typically used in French cuisine. In Quiche Lorraine, lardons are used to add a smoky, salty flavor. However, in modern versions, regular bacon is often used as a more accessible alternative. The quiche controversy. Quiche Lorraine has faced debates and controversies over the years, including discussions about its authenticity. Some argue that the addition of cheese or other ingredients deviates from the traditional recipe, while others embrace variations and creativity. Quiche etiquette. In France, it's customary to enjoy quiche with a green salad and a glass of white wine or champagne. This combination is considered a classic pairing that balances the richness of the quiche. There you have it, our journey through the captivating saga of Quiche Lorraine. From its literary origins to its modern-day allure, this dish stands as a testament to the sophistication of French cuisine. If you're as intrigued as I am, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more Epicurean explorations. A world of culinary wonders awaits in every slice of Quiche Lorraine. Thanks for joining us, and until our next culinary expedition, bon appétit!